Oh man, no! Oh no! Oh no! Good day.
Good vibes, and today we are playing
Soggy Doggy
in real life.
So this is how the game works. We all know how to play Soggy Doggy, right? But this is how you play in real life. So we're gonna have this huge die. We're gonna roll it. If you get a paw print, you have to move to the nearest paw print. Oh, this one. And that means we get to squirt Dalton with a water gun, like that. If we land on the doggy bone, Dalton gets to super soak us.
Maybe, if I feel like it.
And then you go back to the beginning and you'll get a token. And if you have a token, when you're playing the game, oh yeah, I'm having so much fun. Oh no, I got squirted. Well, luckily I have this token. Dalton, take this token. Now I don't have to go back to the beginning. So the first person who goes all the way around and back to the beginning wins. Let's get started.
I'm a paw print.
I'm a duck.
I'm a dog bone.
I've decided I'm going first.
I'm okay with this.
It's fine.
Roll them.
Hitting it
blue.
off of your
Oh
stomach.
man. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Oh man.
So free folks at home, let me remind you, this means Dalton might squirt me. I don't know. I'm waiting in anticipation.
Tune in right now.
No.
Is he?
No.
No.
Okay, go ahead, Jenna.
Yeah.
Good roll.
Thank you. Oh.
Yellow.
Like me.
Oh no.
Oh no.
2.
No.
Oh.
No.
No. No.
No.
I don't think
all right.
that's what it is. Doubt it. No. Oh.
To me.
Technically, I didn't say anything.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog.
Go back to the beginning, my friend.
Okay. Is it dry over there?
Here you go. You get a token, though. So there you go.
Paper cuts on my arms.
Alright, it's my turn.
That was a really good roll.
Blue.
Hey, you're
Hey,
with me.
make some room, Brandy.
We're friends.
One bone and one blue.
Oh wait.
Just in case.
You're good, you're good.
Alright.
I'm gonna roll this thing.
Oh, that means you get to. Oh no.
Ha
Yes. Next pile.
Next paw.
I got paw 2.
I got
So
2
I can
paws.
squirt him twice.
Oops. Efficiency.
Blue.
Oh,
You go in front.
I think he's not going to because I just did.
Uh-oh.
You're good.
Oh,
Yeah.
I filled it all at once.
So do I go to the next
yeah.
blue? Alright.
Blue paw
I'm on
print.
blue paw 1. So you get 1 squirt.
Ah, damn.
I roll again. That means
That's
I roll
what that
again.
means?
2 squirt.
I was here. Now I'm going to the next paw. This paw.
Blue paw.
With you.
Hey paw.
1 squirt. Pink. Oh! You're with us!
Yes!
Oh, no, you're not. No, you're not.
Yes! 2! He's not hang out by me.
Woo!
Pink. Pink's
Oh,
2
two
bone.
bone. Always 2
No,
bone.
you're good, Eddie.
Let's...
Oh! Yes! Paul's gonna be so happy when he hears about this.
I'll take it.
Roll.
Blue.
Where?
1
Yeah,
blue
there you
paw. For paw! It's power.
Boom, boom, spin move. Whoa!
Whoa, whoa.
Pink, pink
Oh,
1 paw.
Squirt. Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue. Oh, man, no! Oh, no! Oh, no!
You got ready to do a backbend. I'm a soggy
What
dog.
happened?
I made it so far.
You come so
And
far.
Now I gotta go back to the beginning.
Try so hard.
In the end, get a little duck coat again. Sorry.
Sorry, Dice.
Sorry.
Oh, you got it. Oh, red.
Red.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Paw 2.
2 paw prints.
Woo! Oh!
Oh. Blue. Next blue. Oh, it's
Oh, no!
bone.
Wait, you go to the... Oh.
1 bone.
Yeah, you're right.
Uh-oh.
One bone.
He's good. He's good.
Alright.
Woo! No.
Oh! There was so much backlash. Selma, still some.
Oh man.
It's because they are
Am I
tiny
winning?
little spittles.
You're winning right now. Yellow. I'm a cat. I don't want to. I refuse. Do it.
I love that I created this air of inevitability.
You're doing it the wrong way.
No.
He's a sneaky dog.
Were you in color guard?
Yeah.
Red.
Oh no.
Red, 2 bones. It's okay. You wouldn't do it.
I won't do it, guys.
Bet. Please don't. Oh no, please.
That's almost just as satisfying
I
as
agree.
actually squirting
I think
you.
it's just as satisfying. What's the point of actually doing it?
Oh, that went on a turn.
So much mystery
Yeah.
involved with this
So many
dice.
twists.
One paw red.
I'd like to be uncool and wet.
Yay.
Paw.
Pa!
Nice.
That's perfect.
Wait, are we
Oh yeah, I get to squirt.
Yeah, I forgot
One
to.
paw.
I'm blowing on it to make it
Blow
loud.
some luck on it.
No! Oh, well, that means I don't have to go to. No, wait, shoot. I'd like to, have a poll for a reroll, since this is a democracy.
I vote against Jetta.
I've said no.
That wasn't even the. Fine, I'll just do it. Two bones. Oh no.
2 bones.
There's more.
Give me your coin.
It's all I have.
You can keep going after that. You don't have to go in the beginning.
Yay! I got long legs.
Pink.
2 power.
2 paw.
This is a magical onesie. It's waterproof.
Oh, it slipped out of my hand. Okay, that's fine. I want to keep it. I'm at 2 paw. Take that. Ha.
This one's for my dogs.
It didn't even move yet.
Who let the dogs out? Yellow.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh no, Eddie!
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you have so much to go, Eddie. So much to go without anything to have.
Oh man.
As a shield.
Yeah. Oh. Ha. Take it. Ha. You like it?
It's not me though.
No.
Jetta. Brandy, was that you or was that Jetta?
For sure
That wasn't me.
I think it was Jetta.
Something smells.
Jetta!
I think it's my turn.